Let's talk more about what happens in the long run. The long run equilibrium price in monopolistic competition is greater than the minimum average total cost. Here's what we know. We know price equals average total cost when profit is zero. We know that price is greater than marginal revenue because the firm has market power. We know that marginal revenue equals marginal cost when the firm maximizes profit. That means that price, which equals average total cost, must be greater than marginal revenue, which equals marginal cost. In the long run, average total cost will be greater than marginal cost. Average total cost decreases when the firm increases output by a smaller amount because average total cost is greater than marginal cost. We talked about these average marginal relationships. When marginal cost is below the average total cost, the average total cost curve has a negative slope. So this graph here depicts the long-run equilibrium position for a monopolistic competitor. We've got a U-shaped average total cost curve. Marginal cost intersects average total cost, the minimum average total cost. And in the long run, the demand curve will just touch the average total cost curve at one point. We're going to call that point B. The intersection of marginal cost and marginal revenue, point A, will be directly below point B. If the firm produces more than this profit maximizing quantity or less than this profit maximizing quantity, the firm will suffer a loss because average total cost is above price. Right at point B, price equals average total cost, so profit is zero. That means the firm maximizes profit at point B. That's got to be where marginal cost equals marginal revenue. Notice since the demand curve has a negative slope at point B and it just touches the average total cost curve, the average total cost curve must also have a negative slope at point B. If we produce more output, we could actually drive average total cost down. Average total cost is minimized where marginal cost intersects average total cost. But in the long run, the monopolistic competitor is going to produce less than that quantity. It's going to produce a quantity that's to the left of the cost minimizing point. We have an expand your understanding question set coming up, and that will do it for this lesson.